Hello friend, welcome to my channel Learn with Utpal. In this Photoshop class, you're going to learn how to change the image color using Photoshop. So let's learn how. So first of all, open an image that you want to change the color. I have opened an image in Photoshop. So next step, I'm going to adjust menu and I want to adjust the label. You can see the image light is so less. I'm going to brightness the image a little bit, and then I'm going to again going to the vibrant, and I'm going to some adjust the color, so it's going to give me the very rich color, good looking. If we are going to drag the saturation, going to be very much rich color, so that's I don't want. So I make it 0 and I make it aside. So now right now you can see the image is looking nice. Holding the alt key and pressing the eyeball so that you can see image earlier is looking like that, but rightly image look like this. So right now I am going to create a screenshot of that. So that case I need to be holding the shift alt control key in my keyboard, shift control alt and then E. I get a screenshot. So you can see top of the layer I got a screenshot. Then you need to go to here, that is called hue and saturation. So hue and saturation, come back to this point, hue. So you're going to move this button left to right. So you're going to see that changing the color, any color you want to like, so that you might take this color. So I'm doing this, I like this color. So in case you can see inside this, there is a master color has been set, like all the color is automatically changing the color. So in case that you want to change a custom color, like you want to make the red color want to be changed, that case you check the red one and you're going to see that only the red is going to change. Okay, so also if you want to be yellow one, green one, play with all of that, you can understand, and you can do everything according as you want, play with all that. Also the next step you're going to see this, here is the option saturation. As you may know that what is the saturation, give you the more color, so you can also play with that. So also you have a preset, some custom preset is already available, so you can also play with that also. Red boost, let's check all of that to see what happening. I'm doing this strong saturation. Okay, so after you decide which color you want to be select, then you simply drop this, click here, and you're going to take another screenshot of that, so you get a perfect like you have to get a perfect color. Change, already have changed the color, you can see always to holding the alt key on your bottom layer. So you're going to see this, the images look like that and now look like this. Okay, so if you want to copy this image, so that case you need to, okay, let me check, I need to open all the time eyeball on. So I am to change the color a little bit, like leave this color because this is the previous on the same. I make it control E, control shift alt E and get a new color. So you can use this anywhere you want to do. So you can move, go back to the move tool and drag like this. Also you may copy this stuff and use another, like you open a new documents, you have a new open documents, make the size of it what size you want to be, keep, and then simply here you have copied, just paste it, you can see. Okay, alright guys, I hope you understand this video concern, that how I'm doing the changing the color using Photoshop hue. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you.